Okay, it's September the 28th. Today is Thursday, yeah, September 28th. And I just noticed yesterday I got two soursop flowers on the same tree at the same time. So let's go check out the soursop. So it's basically, let's see, it's in a container. I planted in a container for about 5 years old now. I don't remember exact at least 5 years old. So here's the, let's see, I was watering the plant yesterday, and that's a container. So could be a 7-gallon. Okay, you see that right there. Okay, so that's the first flower. Okay, I need probably to clean it because it looks like it got infested with the aphids or something like that. And then the other flower, the second one, is right up here. See? Last year I didn't get any flower. Prior to that I got flowers but no fruits. And then this is the Cherimoya. I don't know what variety it is. So in the winter I do have to bring it inside. And 2-3 weeks ago I grafted the soursop onto Cherimoya rootstock. This is the wax jambu. So I grafted 2-3 weeks ago soursop onto the Cherimoya rootstock. Seems like it's taking it. So you see, right here. So looks good so far. I don't know if it will make it through the winter, but this is the first year I'm trying it. So we'll see. And I grafted some more yesterday. Cherimoya onto the Cherimoya rootstock, the soursop. So, oh yeah, here's another one. This one looks like it's taking it right here. This one I don't, oh, this one I think it's the, I think this is the custard apple. Okay, another sugar apple right here. This one I think it was almost dead in the winter, so it came back. So I noticed that the soursop, I grafted some onto the Cherimoya rootstock, and it's not inside the greenhouse, it's outside the greenhouse, and it didn't seem to do that well. So the one I grafted in and then stick it into the greenhouse seems to be doing really well right here. So let's go and check out the one that I had outside the greenhouse. Okay, so this is the Soursop on the Cherimoya rootstock, and it doesn't seem to be looking good. It looks like a good one here because see these buds, they're about to push out new leaves. So it's a good sign. Oh, this was a failure, so I use this one instead. I'll do it up here. I'm going to pick this dragon fruit. Looks like it's ready for picking. Got some flowers as well.
I told you it's right. It and scoop it. Ooh. Don't eat the skin. Nope, don't eat the skin. Want to take? Good.
It's healthy for
Thumbs
you.
up.
It's
Do
really
the thumbs
healthy.
Show Auntie your thumbs up. Good, Mama. No, show Auntie your thumbs up. Good. She can see.
It's really healthy for you, Zoe. It makes you
Lift it
bigger,
up.
taller. You can get bigger than Emily eating it.
Oh.
Makes you bigger. See? Delicious, huh?
Good? Yeah, good seeds.
Good seeds.
I like these seeds. Yeah, it is
It's
so
crunchy, huh? Yummy.
Yummy.
Is it sweet? Not too
Is it
sweet,
sweet?
right? Since you don't like sweet.
It is sweet.
It's a bit sweet, huh? Delicious, huh? It tastes even better when you put it into the freezer for like
We'll
ice
freeze
cream.
the other one.
Yeah, put the other one in the freezer and see which one you like.
And it'll be like ice cream. Okay.
The other half, put the other half in the freezer like ice
The other
cream.
half we'll put in the freezer, okay?
And it'll be like ice cream.
No, I don't like it. I don't like sweets. Oh, not sweet. So we'll put it in the freezer. I like dragon fruit because I will eat the whole thing.
Oh, yeah? You will eat the whole thing? Wow, very impressive. You can eat the whole thing. Wow. It's super healthy for you, you know. Has a lot of antioxidants, just like blueberry.
Healthy and yummy.
It's not like candies, you know. Candy is not good for you.
It is sweet. I don't like candy.
This is very healthy. So much better, healthy. And it's organic. No, there's no chemical, no pesticide. It's just organic, and all is anti-grew it. You know, my backyard, in a farm. It's in the farm.
In your farm?
In my farm, in the backyard. There's no pesticide or chemical, and super healthy. It's delicious, huh?